Yeah, comrades cha. Comrades chi. We want peace. Amen.
Ndongoi na ilanisya imanyisyo nene syama universities na colleges vanthi ya Kenya nisyaweta amuika ta momethitwa maitomewa kuuluwa nduuthi ni nthini wa usakuani manene ala mavikite na kwikitika vanthi ya Kenya vala ngwatanio ya amanyiwa na ala mesikanie ta Ucspak mavikiie na kumya witano kwa amuika na nikana usakuani munene na ula ukite mavikiie na kukuna kula vate kutwahisya Ithokoo na matiketi kila kutumiwa na ini ateti ni nthini wa kuuluwa nduuthi vala Ndongoi isyaweta amuika ala mekwatikana mevikiie na kuuluwa nduuthi ta mekwosewa itambia ivi ya miao.
My name is Angel Mbudhia. I'm the Vice President, University of Nairobi, SONO. And we, as the Universities and College Students Peace and Association of Kenya, we are aware that the youth have been misused in the past elections to fuel electoral and other forms of violence in Kenya. We are also aware that students in the institutions of higher learning in Kenya have been mobilized in the past as goons for hire to trigger and escalate violence. On this backdrop, Ucspak, as a network of students from both public and private institutions of higher learning across the Republic of Kenya, is offering a platform to promote peace and cohesion in our country.
As youth, we've come together, and in this declaration, we clearly state that we will take action, legal action, for those politicians who incite people into violence and those people who are breaking all these laws that they themselves assented to.
Comrades, peace. Comrades, freedom. Comrades, peace. So we urge the youth of this country to remain united, that regardless of our ethnic extraction, our religious affiliation or political affiliation, this country belongs to all of us, and we have a big responsibility and a moral obligation to protect our country.
Nayo Ndongoi kuma kimanyisyo cha Strathmore University kwesitwa Daniel Ochieng ni waumya witano kwanza mayo usakuani na mivaka ya IEBC twaisya usakuani kwanza ya haki na uwo tanze mwe kusiya Ithokoo na ile itonya kumana na usakuani uvavikiie na kumba batoto wa usakuani wa uwo na haki.
From our side, we are willing to support. We are standing for growth. We are standing for peace. As long as you assure us, the public assures us, the systems assure us that they will maintain utmost integrity and lead us the right direction.
Ndongoi na ila sitwa isikikalo na andiki mama uvova musini wa ilovi mukawani wa 680 nisyaweta kumana na ripoti ila ya vikiie na kumwa ni kimanyisyo kinene cha masomo mayulu cha angakani mwakani wa 2015 tainu vikiie na kuonanya amuika ta matumia wani na siasa kumana na kumba matema uyani ndulotuma aingi kuimbwa maitume wani na siasa kumana na kumba matena uya wakweka.
According to the Kenya Youth Survey Report 2015 by Aga Khan University, issues such as unemployment for the youth have led to desperation and idleness that can easily be exploited by politicians for their own selfish gain. In addition, a majority of youth feel they have a voice that has never been heard. We will be in the front line in pushing for an agenda for peace and youth inclusion in governance processes.
We as youths, we are not going to be used again and again as vessels to propagate violence or any other thing that is not right according to the Kenyan Constitution.
The elections of this country matters to all of us, and that is why we have decided as student leaders to call this meeting. Therefore, we urge the IBC to conduct free, fair, and credible elections.
My quest to the fellow youth is, I urge you to fully support your own, fully stand with your own. Don't rush to those people who want to dish out money and excluding your fellow youth just like me.
We are urging all the youths in all the villages, all the town centers, all the wards, all the constituencies, all the counties, all over the country. We are urging them to turn up in large numbers to participate fully in this general election.
Amuika ni mometha mesikie ta Ndongoi siauni
na uni witano ulabikia kumwa ni Ndongoi imanyisyo nene va lobi nikana wisethia ni mavikia na kukuna kula kwa nzela ya haki na uo ngilivotia teni cha movo kuma nza wa mukawa wa 680 va musino wa ilovi ninye Sixtus Ndwiwa.
Comrades, peace. Peace. Comrades, peace.
Peace.
Comrades, freedom.
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 Freedom.